How to access Sims Student on a smartphone. This can be done on both Apple and Google phones. For this example, I'm using an Android phone, so I'll be downloading the app from the Google Play Store. Click on the Play Store icon and search for Sims Student. Once you have got Sims Student up, click on Install. Once Sims Student is installed, click on Open. Click on Sign In. At the sign in page, click on the Accept button and always choose the Microsoft option. You will then be asked to put in your full school email address, so your username followed by sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. Click on Next and then enter your school password. Click on Sign In. Just click on Yes to stay signed in. And now you are successfully logged in. So you can check on homework by selecting homework. You can see what homework is set for each individual day. You can see messages. And you can see your attendance and reports just like you would on the laptop view. So that is how you access Sims Student from a smartphone. This is exactly the same on an iPhone. You just download the Sims Student app from the App Store.